If you want to make your business writing sound more polished, more professional, and more convincing, Grammarly can help a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly for business writing in a simple, practical way so you can improve emails, documents, and messages without overthinking every sentence. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the document you want to improve. This can be something in Microsoft Word, Outlook, or Google Docs. Grammarly works especially well when you're writing a business email, a report, a proposal, or any other professional message where clarity and tone really matter. Once your document is open, look for the floating Grammarly G icon. This is the shortcut that gives you quick access to Grammarly's writing suggestions and settings. Go ahead and click that Grammarly icon. When the panel opens, you'll see options that help you tailor the writing style to your situation. For business writing, you want Grammarly to focus on a more professional voice. That means you should look for the domain setting and type in formal or professional. This tells Grammarly that you're not writing casually, you're writing for work, clients, teammates, or leadership, so the suggestions should match that tone. Next, look at the tone setting. This is another very useful part of Grammarly because tone can change how your message feels, even when the words are technically correct. For business writing, type confident or direct undertone. Confident writing helps you sound capable and clear, while direct writing helps you avoid unnecessary fluff and get straight to the point. That combination is often exactly what you want in professional communication. Once you set the domain and tone, Grammarly will begin adjusting its suggestions based on those choices. Now you can start reviewing your writing sentence by sentence. Pay attention to grammar, spelling, punctuation, word choice, and sentence clarity. If Grammarly suggests a cleaner or more professional phrase, take a moment to compare it with your original wording. The goal is not just to make the writing technically correct, but to make sure it sounds strong, polished, and appropriate for business use. If you're writing an email, this is especially helpful for making your message more concise and respectful. If you're writing a proposal or a report, Grammarly can help you sound more authoritative and organized. And if you're sending a message to a client or manager, the right tone can make a huge difference in how your communication is received. Another helpful tip is to use Grammarly as a second set of eyes, not as a replacement for your own judgment. Always read through the suggestions and make sure they match your intent. Sometimes the best business writing is not just the one with perfect grammar, but the one that sounds natural, confident, and clear for your specific audience. As you work, you can keep refining the document until it feels ready to send. That's the real power of Grammarly for business writing. It helps you save time, reduce mistakes, and present yourself more professionally without having to be a perfect writer from the start. So to recap, open your document in Word, Outlook, or Google Docs, click the Grammarly G icon, set the domain to formal or professional, set the tone to confident or direct, and then review the suggestions to polish your writing. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your business communication. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.